Hey everyone, Brad from Circling the Drone here. I've got the DJI Mavic Air, the original. This is the flame red one. This is my first DJI drone, first prosumer drone. This thing is pretty awesome. We just had the big ice storm of 2022 here. You can see everything's pretty much covered in ice. And it's cold as hell this morning. It's Saturday, it's about 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, I just wanted to get this Mavic Air out and check out the ice. I haven't had this thing out in quite a while. Yeah, this is like old school. Some of you guys probably haven't ever seen one of these things fly. Let me mess with my camera here. But yeah, this is the Mavic Air, the original Mavic Air, flame red. We'll go ahead and oh, let me check. Yeah, remember this had the precision takeoff check. So yeah, it went up to 20.7 meters, so that's what the original Mavic Air did. Go ahead and start recording in 4K 30. And this thing is a loud drone for sure. I do have some, I never got any master air scoop props for it, but I do have some on order, so hopefully that'll take the bite out of that noise a little bit. So drop the camera down a little bit and we'll just go right ahead and take it out and look at some of the ice. Hopefully this 4K camera will pick that up. And this original Mavic Air does have obstacle avoidance front and back. Yeah, and guys, this drone came out in 2018, and it's still a hell of a drone. Yeah, I haven't used this Go 4 app in quite a while. I actually had to uninstall the one I had on my phone because my phone said it was buggy and it kept shutting off, so I had to delete that and then go to DJI.com and download it off of there, because the one on the Google store didn't work. So yeah, just taking the Mavic Air out, the original Mavic Air, checking out some of this ice, the great ice storm of 2022. As a lot of you know, I'm in just above Pittsburgh, northwest PA. It's cold today. This Mavic Air is doing pretty damn good though. Like I said, it's 10 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm freezing. My hands are freezing. I do have gloves on. I have these nice Adidas gloves I just got off of Amazon with touchscreen features, so I'll put a link up in the description for those. They're pretty nice. So yeah, check out all that snow. And there's a nice layer of ice underneath that snow. Looks like someone was up here with a four-wheeler or something, doing some donuts, maybe a truck. Yeah, the Mavic Air is pretty loud, but Once it's away from you, you can't hear it. You haven't been up on this plateau in quite a while. I didn't feel like driving up to the lake today. I didn't know how the roads were going to be. The roads, all the side roads here are terrible. Like the main roads are good, but yeah, all the side roads are crap. So I figured the roads up at the lake would probably be pretty bad, so I didn't want to get stuck up there. So I just parked in this parking lot down here and hiked up here. Yes, Mavic Air, original Mavic Air, doing pretty damn good in this cold. Yeah, I'm not used to this Go 4 app. I actually like the Go 4 app. Wish I wouldn't have gotten rid of it, but what are you gonna do? So we'll bring it on back this way. I'm in normal mode, or in-flight mode they call it. It's doing pretty good. About 13 miles per hour. .3. Hoo-wee. My hands are getting a little numb here. So there I am down there. I'm gonna take it out about 400 feet. Take a look around. Down to 63% battery, 62% battery. Again, this is the day after the great ice storm of 2022. It's February 5th, 2022. I almost didn't come out. I wasn't going to, but I forgot some stuff at the grocery store. So I had to come back out, so I figured, screw it, I'll just bring the Mavic Air out. Do a quick flight. Check out all the snow and ice. So they're about 396. Bring the gimbal up a little bit. Nice level horizon. I'm trying to go slow, but I'm starting to lose feeling in my fingers a little bit. Okay, just got a message on my screen from my phone saying, yeah, maybe the horizon is a little bit off. I don't know if it's hard to tell because there's like a mist out there. So there's the grocery store I was at there on the lower left. Weak signal. That's because I'm pretty much right above me. Oh, a little too fast there. So what I'm going to bring it back down. Throw it into sport mode. Hit our max speed and then hit return to home. See how that Mavic Air does precision landing. Yeah, and like I said, this one actually shows you have to hit a check mark for precision landing before you take off, before you slide to take off. Then it goes up to 20 feet. Alright, so we're bringing her on down. We'll stop right there and we'll hit sport mode on the controller. Alright. Just gun out. Yeah, this little guy can rip. You can hear it too. So there was like 32 miles per hour. Turn it back around. My fingers are getting cold. So we're at 1,000 feet there. We'll bring it back a little bit closer and then do a return to home. Check out that precision landing. So we're out like 820 some feet. We'll do a return to home.
Go home.
Whee. Yeah, that horizon looks pretty good. I think it's just the terrain here. Whew. So it's returning to home. Again, the original Mavic Air doing pretty damn good out here in the cold. Can't wait to get back to my van and crank that heat up. I'm sure the drone's pretty excited about that also. So I'll go ahead and drop the gimbal down.
Landing.
Looks pretty damn close. Yeah, a little bit off. Here comes that Mavic Air. Flame red, original Mavic Air. Yeah, it's a little off, so I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, it's not suitable for landing, of course. It doesn't want to land in the snow. So I'll bring it back over. Let me take it out of sport mode. I see a jet up there. Right over the landing pad there. Nice. So yeah, there it is, the original Mavic Air, flame red. Out in the cold, 10 degrees Fahrenheit, right after the big ice storm of 2022. Hopefully it's the only one. But anyway guys, there it is, the original Mavic Air, old school style. Brad from Circular Drone, thanks for watching. Take care, bye.